Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix service host network service high network uses on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. You have latest Windows update your operating system with Windows latest update. Here go to Windows update from the left side, and from the right side, if any pending action required, then fulfill them, otherwise click on check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it in your system. So update your operating system with Windows latest update. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of various type of error appeared. The next workaround to fix this issue is again right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Windows update. From the right side, go to advanced options. Here scroll down and look for the option delivery optimization. Click on it. Here scroll down and uncheck turn the toggle button off against allow downloads from other devices. Turn the toggle button off against this option, turn off delivery optimization, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose task manager. From the left side, choose a startup tabs. Thereafter go to right side, and any startup apps not necessarily, then simply disable it. So you can also disable all the startup apps disabled. So simply right click on any enabled startup apps and choose disable. Apply this process for all your other enabled startup apps. Simply right click on it and choose disable. So disable startup apps already enabled in your system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, look for the option sysmin services. Simply scroll down and go to S alphabet and look for sysmin services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and disable this services or stop this services. Simply click on stop, and also a startup type set as manual, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Stop sysmin services. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to start these services again, and also restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Here choose Windows security. A new page will open. Here click on virus and threat protection. Here click on the link scan options. Click on scan options. Here you will find 4 options: quick scan, full scan, customizer scan, and antivirus Microsoft Defender offline scan. So choose either full scan or quick scan So after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, reset your network settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to network and internet settings. Thereafter go to right side. Here scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Here scroll down and choose network reset and click on reset now, and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of your network and internet connection. Sometimes network and internet connection may be a cause of various type of error, so you must reset your network. The one more workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button and choose device manager. Update your network adapter driver. Here under available driver list, expand network adapter section and go to your network adapter driver and right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, restart your system. Your problem must be resolved